Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make your own face in Roblox. Are you looking for a quick guide how to make your own face in Roblox? Stay tuned because this one's for you. Okay, we are now in create.roblox.com. As you can see here, create face accessories. A face accessory is a cosmetic accessory that attaches to the head and can include items such as hair, eyebrows, glasses, and facial hair. To create a face accessory, this is that is compatible with animatable heads. You use a similar design process as layered clothing to allow your accessory model to deform and stretch on the head when the head is posed or animated. So, um, so to create a face accessory, use a third-party modeling tool such as Blender or Maya. This is Blender. This is Maya. We're going to show you. This is Blender, right? And then this is Maya software. These are the two software that you can use to make face accessories. Create a 3D model. And the requirements are accessory model must have studio mesh requirements. The model must be parented on Blender or bound on Maya to an R15 character rig. And the model must include an inner and outer cage. So take note of that. That's pretty much it. This video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.